So welcome to the third part of price action, marking your key levels. Key levels is one of the most important things in order to understand till where the market can take you or till where the price action can go for the current session. So continue watching this, and I hope that you have seen the previous two sessions of price action, how to mark your key levels. So our trading date for the Sensex expiry of 29th April 2025 has started. There are few important points when we trade the expiry days. The first one is marking your key levels. That is the first and the foremost exercise that you have to perform even before the market starts in order to understand where can Sensex or any other index that you're working on or that you're trading on the expiry day can move. I've already marked some key levels and going back from 22nd till yesterday, I've marked all the key levels, which I think is very important for today's trading. It's marked the top of the swings and the bottom of the swings for these many days. And I have marked less levels than Nifty, which you must have seen in the previous video, because Sensex moves in bigger swings. Nifty moves in smaller swings. So when the swings are big in Sensex, I don't want to clutter the screen with small swings and small key levels, very short key levels. I don't want to do that. And even if it is required to do it, I will do it during the trading session. So that is the first point. The second point is, as I told you, that Sensex moves in big swings, and those big swings can also hamper your negatives, whether your strike price goes into negative or positive. So to make sure that once it goes in negative, it doesn't start going in negative forever. Putting a stop loss as soon as your order gets executed, putting a stop loss with minimal points. Let's say I take a 5 point, stop loss on any trade. So if 5 points goes away, I can enter again in the right direction. The direction is changing of the trend. So hence the second point is putting a stop loss. The third point will be, if you don't want to if you don't want to wait till the end of the trading session today, you can take your profits, okay, and then you can exit. The reason is Sensex in the last hour of trading, or let's say in the last 2 hours of trading, is very volatile, and you will always see it making big spikes, big swings, very big swings, sudden swings at the end of the trading session. So it's recommended that you take your profits and get out. In case if you want to get in again, then you can try getting in between 3 and 3:30. Make sure that you don't leave your trades on the day. You have to exit. You have to make sure that you square off everything and also cancel all the trades that you're putting which did not get executed. Okay, these are few important, very important points that we need to make sure that I make sure during the expiry date. And yeah, that's it. Let's continue trading. Okay, so sharing an update again. This is how the market moved. It started from here. It started positive. It went negative. Then now this is a pullback. Let me show you the pullback. From here it went. From here it went. And now this is a pullback. Now it is going a little bit sideways. And the most probable direction of this trade would be down from here because this is a pullback. It has created key level here. Okay. And let's see now. An update about my dashboard. Here is the position currently going on. So I'm waiting for an update on this. Market is moving a little bit sideways right now. It's Sensex expiry 29 April 2025. It's the weekly expiry of Sensex. So now it is going a little bit sideways. This is what I assume. And current position of my account is something like this. I have these stop losses in place. 100 lots at 15, trigger price 14, 20, and 20 lots. 80, 800, 81, 300, 80, 800. Sorry. 81 is 120 lots and 20 lots, right? Okay, so this is what it is right now. I will give you all an update soon. An update again. The position has become very silent here and it's not moving on either sides. So I have exited all my positions. Refresh this. I've exited all my position and this is the current situation of the account. And this is the current PNL. Once I see some move on either side, then I will again enter and take the trade on the right side. There is nothing right and wrong. I just have to adjust the positions. But right now, I don't think so. Holding on to the trades which are in profit. That is why I sold all of them. And now I'm trying to wait for the right move.